blues. A little bit get you in the mood state. I can do this all night long, say. DJs play my song. Living like it's my last. So keep running that back, hey. I know you can't believe, but right here's the place to be. I got everything I need, so ain't nothing you can take from me. And they can't believe, just put it on my tab. We running all right back, and you know right where it's at, run it back to back. Hey, where you at?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Miss Naturally Mary here. The braids are out and I have an amazing video for you all today. Today we're doing a glueless install. I know I have some grab and go lazy naturals who don't want to do a whole lot of work and who aren't interested in glue. I am with you, sis. Well, this is the video for you. So the unit that I'm going to show you all today is from Nadula Hair. I love their kiki curly texture and their curly texture. I'm actually going to show you all a curly wig today. And these are some of the goodies that come in your package when you receive your wig. I believe this is an elastic band that's great for setting your wig, and they have their brand logo on it, which is pretty cool. They also have a custom hat that you can receive, so be sure to use my discount code below so that you all can take advantage of receiving some of these gifts. And y'all know I love a good robe, so I'm about to put this one on now, but before we do that, let's get into the wig details. So this unit is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig in the curly texture. Straight out of the package, I can already tell that this texture is going to be so beautiful. It's in length 18, and it seems that they've already layered it at the top, which is really good. Now, Nadula Hair has upgraded their lace, and I love when companies do this. This lace is more durable, it's also more natural, and it's easier to lay. This unit also comes with an elastic band that makes it really easy for you to wear it without any glue, gel, or any type of adhesive. And this is one that you can detach if you decide you don't want to wear it, and you can also adjust it to make it tighter. So now I'm putting the unit on the mannequin head so that you all can get a better view of what we're working with. As you all can see, the hairline looks really good, but you can feel free to customize it to your liking. And it does have really small knots, so you don't necessarily have to bleach the knots on this unit. And I'm going to show you guys how to conceal those later. So you already know what time it is. It's time to co-wash this wig. I'm going to be using the Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner. This is my favorite go-to conditioner for my natural curly wigs. I'm also going to be using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush in order to define the curls as well as to detangle the hair. Now I've already rinsed the hair and submerged it under water. So right now I'm going to begin applying my conditioner. I'm going to allow you all to watch this process, and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
Baby, we can go somewhere, we can get away from here, pick a different atmosphere, go to outer space and then fall in love with aliens. Leave the human race down there, please don't be afraid, darling. Even if the stars are falling, baby, you're a satellite like Aphrodite. You'll be a god. Offer you a sacrifice, we'll build an army. You'll be in charge. We'll get lost in Jupiter's halo, my love. Mission control.
After rinsing out the conditioner, this is what the hair looks like. This is in length 18. And if you want the curls to clump a little more, be sure to use your diffuser. I didn't decide to do that. I actually allowed the hair to air dry overnight. So that was the next morning, and I'm going to try the unit on. But first, get into this lace, y'all. It looks so good. It's so perfect for any skin tone, and I'm going to show you guys how to tint it later. So I'm just putting on a wig cap first, and then I'm going to proceed to put the unit on.
Is radioing to return. But when we touch down, it's like...
Y'all, when I put this wig on, I was like, ooh, I don't even know if I need to tint the lace. The lace looks so good on my complexion, but I do want to make sure I conceal those small knots. So I am going to do it for that reason, but I love the color of this lace. I love how thin it is, and that if I decide to wear it glueless or if I decide to lay it down with some form of adhesive, it's going to melt so nicely into my skin, and it's going to look like it's actually my hair. Now, I didn't do that for this video, but trust me, if you decide to melt this lace or wear it glueless, it's going to look phenomenal. To tint the lace, I'm going to be using my 3D face creator. I'm going to apply that all over the lace, and then I'm going to follow that up with the Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray, and I'm using color Deep Glow. Be sure to blend that out onto the lace, and then you can begin cutting the excess lace and then installing your wig. Look at what a difference that made. It looks so much better, and it's going to look so much more realistic when you install your unit. Just to make sure that my wig cap doesn't look too light under the lace, I am going to apply some of the 3D face creator to my stocking cap as well. After completing this process, I'm going to begin to lay my edges. so now it's time to lay these edges. Because we don't have a full lace front wig, I am going to have some of my edges out. So I am going to slick those down. I'm going to let you guys watch that process, and then I'll come back on in a moment. Do y'all see what I mean? Nadula comes through every time. This curly texture wig looks so bomb, and I love that you don't even have to glue it down and it still looks natural. But I did show you guys what it would look like if you were to melt it into your skin and lay it completely flat, but you don't necessarily have to do that, which is really cool. So right now I'm just fluffing the hair out. If you wanted to leave it flat the way it was, then you can absolutely do that. But y'all know I love volume. I'm a big hair girl, so I'm going to fluff it out, make it bigger, and it's going to look so great.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat.
So now that we fluffed the hair out a little more, I do want to try to make it look as natural as possible. So I do want to cover the lace some with the curls. So I'm just going to take my rat tail comb. I'm going to take the back of it and try to pull forward some of those curls to cover the start of the lace. So I'm just going to demonstrate that again. And I'm also going to show you guys how you can also use a small baby hair brush in order to just tease it out. And that helps as well.
So bump all that anxiety, but you hit to the side of me. I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
Y'all, I'm loving how this turned out. And if you're somebody who's a little apprehensive about wearing your units glueless, here's a mousse that's a glueless alternative that I used in the past and it works so well. It also has a really strong hold. So now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like if you were to wear a side part. Now this one makes it really easy to wear it glueless and you don't see the lace really at all.
Wow. That's just the feeling right now, you feel me? That's just the feeling right now, you feel me? I love when you sleep on me. I like to wake 'em up. We gon' see. Big day ahead of us, get out your bed, go get you some breakfast. Don't make excuses, just make it effortless. Comfortable out of my comfort zone. Cut off the ones who ain't want me on. Worry about something when nothing's wrong. Working for God till he want me home. I have no fear of destruction. I have no fear of death. Don't make a threat. I blow that whistle like a ref. People are foul now. Watch what you do when you out of bounds. I give them praise when I'm out of town. I hit the booth and devour sound.
Y'all, let me know which one you like more, the middle part or the side part. Both of them look great to me, but I don't know. This side part, listen. Now I'm going to show you all some styling options that you can do with the side part with a little ponytail, and it's going to look so cute. You can wear it casually or to a wedding, make it more formal. I'm going to show you all some headbands to kind of spruce it up, and then I'll come back on.
Please remind me. Keep proving yourself to me. This is that flicker wrist. This is that shot that I couldn't miss. This is that pot that you couldn't. This is that one that you couldn't diss. This is that malice. This is that flow you ain't know it's lit. This is that balance. This is that dough you ain't know it's spent. This is that challenge. This is triple double no assists. This is going toe to toe with bricks. This the temple of the potentness. This ain't wishing for a spot when the door's closed. This is how you open it. If I never win, I bet I won't relent. And if I let you win, I bet you won't forget. Jaguar.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all love this wig as much as I do. I love Nadula Hair. I literally have a half wig from them that I've worn for over a year now, and it's still hanging in there strong. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications for this unit and all the products that I use. And here's the half wig that I was referencing, by the way. It's the kinky curly half wig. But I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.